Hello to everyone. My topic today is about combination of exponential and natural logarithm. So take note, as we notice of the given, so I have ln and then e. So that's why the title is combination of exponential and natural logarithm. And then we will just review our basic trigonometry in here. So I have r is equals to ln 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t over 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. So recall our trigonometry. So trigonometry is basic, okay? Trigonometry. So that's why we will study carefully for the trigonometry. So this will be r is equals to ln. If we say division, so this will be minus, right? 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t. So I'll just write circle brackets. And then this will be minus ln. When we say minus, that will be division, right? Then this will be circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. Okay? So I will now start differentiation both sides. So this will be dr over dt. So derivative of ln circle brackets 1 plus e raised to negative 2t is 1 over circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t, then times a derivative inside the circle brackets. So that will be circle bracket 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. Then this will be plus. Then, so I'll just use this one as square brackets because I will use circle brackets in here. So this will be plus, and then derivative of 2t, negative 2t, this will be negative 2, and then times e to the negative 2t. So that's why I use square brackets in here. Okay? Then minus ln, derivative of ln circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. So this will be 1 over, so this will be minus 1 over circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. Then times derivative inside the circle brackets. So circle brackets, so I will just use again square brackets. So derivative of 1, that will be 0. Then negative, derivative of negative 2t is negative 2. Then e to the negative 2t. Okay? So simplify, this will be 1 over circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t, then times 0 plus negative 2 times e to the 2t is negative 2 e to the negative 2t. Okay? Then minus, this is 1. 1 over circle brackets 1 minus e to the negative 2t. Then times 0 plus negative, that will be positive. So this will be positive 2 e to the negative 2t. Okay, so multiply by 1 times negative. So this will be negative 2 e to the negative 2t. Then this will be over circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t. Then minus, okay? Then 1 times positive 2 times e to the negative 2t is 2 e to the negative 2t. Then this will be over circle brackets 1 minus e to the negative 2t. Then simplify using algebra. Allow me to erase this one for my further solutions. So this will be the common is negative 2 e to the negative 2t. Then this will be square brackets 1 over circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t. Then negative, right? So negative, this will be positive. So this will be positive 1 over circle brackets, sorry, this is close, 1 minus e to the negative 2t. Then this will be closed by square bracket. Okay, so apply algebra. So this will be negative 2 e to the negative 2t. Then LCD. LCD will be circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t times 1 minus e to the negative 2t. Okay, so LCD divide by denominator 1. So LCD are circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t and 1 minus e to the negative 2t is divided by first denominator. So this will be circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t. So circle brackets 1 plus e to the negative 2t will be crossed out by 1 plus e raised to negative 2t. So this will be 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. So this will be 1 times this one, 1 minus e to the negative 2t. Then plus LCD divide by denominator 2. So LCD are 1 plus e to the negative 2t. Then times circle brackets 1 minus e raised to negative 2t is divided by the second denominator, circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. So the same numerator denominator will be crossed out. So I have circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t. So this will be 1 times 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t. So I will use square brackets in here because I already used circle brackets. So that's why I will use the second one is square brackets. Okay, next will be I will simplify the numerator and then denominator also later on. So allow me to erase this further discussion to continue my solution. So this will be equal to negative 2 e to the negative 2t. Then this will be square brackets, multiply inside the circle brackets. So this will be 1. Then minus e raised to negative 2t. Then plus 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus e raised to the negative 2t. Then the denominators are circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t times circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. Okay, so combine. So this will be negative 2 e raised to the negative 2t. Then square brackets. This will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Then e, negative e raised to negative 2t, then plus e. So this will be crossed out. So I have now 2. Then I have circle brackets 1 plus e raised to the negative 2t times circle brackets 1 minus e raised to the negative 2t. Sorry. Okay? So I need to simplify for incoming final answer. So allow me to erase in here. So this will be equal to negative 2 e raised to the negative 2t, then I will multiply this one. Okay, to multiply, so this will be 1 plus e to the negative 2t times 1 minus e raised to negative 2t. This is t. Okay, so multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times e to the negative 2t is positive e to the negative 2t. Then 1 times negative 2t, so this will be negative e, negative 2t. Then positive e to negative 2t times e, negative e raised to negative 2t is negative e. 2 times 2 is 4, negative 4t. So bring down 1. This one will be crossed out. And then I have minus e raised to negative 4t. Okay? So this will be my denominator. So I have now, I can use circle brackets. So this will be 2. And then 1. 1 minus e raised to negative 40. Then this will be 2. Okay? So multiply. So this will be negative. My numerator is negative 4e raised to negative 2t because 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4. Then my denominator is 1 minus e raised to negative 40. So my final answer will be, I will simplify this one. So dr dt is equals to, using algebra, this will be negative 4. Then this will be over. I will place this one below the bar line. So this will be positive exponent. So this will be positive 2t. Then circle brackets 1 minus e raised to negative 40. So this is now my final answer. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comment or comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.